Good day kay AXS Grinders. So, enjoy natin yung profit natin sa crypto. Dito tayo nakapag-AXS grinding for November 15. So hopefully by 16 kumpletuhin natin grinding natin So enjoying the view here at Bohol Solea Resort Hotel. Happy bull run, guys. Okay, AXS Grinders, happy bull market. Congratulations sa pumalo sa XRP. Still moving. Hindi natin sure kung malalagpasan yung all-time high niya na $3. Pero beyond that, risk nyo na yon. Pero sure yan, naaabot ang $3 yan. It's bull run. Enjoying crypto results here at Bohol. Peace. Tayo ka dun sa harap.